Hello all. I had a couple of days off the building work of this really, just to tidy things up around here. I'll spin you around a bit later on and show you, but I've moved all the stones a bit closer, sorted them out into what I need where. I don't know if I've been through it yet really, but I'm going to have a pier here. It's going to be 250mm wide, and then a wall here with a little tiny doorway here. Probably going to, well, you see the height on the wall, it's going to be that high, so it's going to be a little entrance and then a return into there. And I'm going to have a wall here, so this bit is just going to be infill underneath the steps here. So that's the plan. I've done quite a lot of measuring, and the way I've got to where I am is the pitch angle of the stairs I decided based on the rise and the tread of the stairs. So that's set from that lower right hand corner of the house itself. So the angle, the start position set, the angle set, the height of the landing is set. I'm having 9 stairs and I'm having the landing at 1.8 metres above, not from where I'm standing here, above, from 1.8 metres from that start point down there, which takes me to here. Well, let me see, takes me to there. Sorry, my landing stone is 1.2 metres square, so I'm going to cut, it's a corner of it's been knocked or smashed off, so I'm going to cut it back to 1.1 by 850, which is the width of the steps. So I'm going to have my landing stones here. So from this corner is now defined by 1.8 metre height pitch angle. My width has been defined as 1.1 metres, which gives me this vertical line, which I've now transposed down to the floor, which gives me where the back of the pier is going to be. The front is the same depth as here. So my first job is to put the base, the footings for my pier there, footings for my front there, and then I can put that wall in. So that's the plan. I've just mixed a big load of mix, made myself a coffee, so it's, I don't know, it's probably 3 o'clock, so I've probably only got an hour and a half of daylight now, but I'm gonna go at it now because it's been raining all morning, so I've just been doing more thinking work than outside work today. So I'm ready to go. Let's go. First things first. I think I'm going to, well, either brick or quarry tile this. Only the inside of the dog kennel floor, so it's only half of what you can see. This is the wall thickness from there to there. I've put a couple of bits of DPC over the cat paw prints just to protect them a little bit, because I like them. So long after I'm dead and buried, whoever decides this isn't the current fashion in 50, 100, whatever years time, hopefully we'll find it. And I've put Dino and Enzo's name, the cats, and the year 2024. So I like little notes like that for people to find long after I'm gone. I don't find very much here, farmhouses don't tend to have notes in bottles and things too often, because farmers, I think, just want things done quickly, which is a bit of a shame. I always find glass bottles in walls, but bits of scrap metal and things, but nothing too exciting yet. Here's hoping. apologies in advance for the barrow being in the middle of this. It's a bit imposing from your point of view, I suppose, but not a lot I can do. I've still got too much stone around here, so as soon as I made a bit of space, I can move the barrow out of the way and you'd probably see what I'm doing a little better. But I'm trying to film everything and show you all the not so interesting details, and well, that's how I try to operate. Like it when I watch videos of people and they just film everything. So you get to see what the whole thing's about then, I think, a little more than just filming the nice bits. If you filmed laying 10 steps, it would probably only take about 3 minutes and people would think it's an easy job, where in reality it takes a lot of thought, planning and execution. Anyway, I've lost my gloves. Probably left them in the house. Oh no, I haven't. They're here. So I'm going to fill that rubble pile with mortar now, then put a bead of mortar down the edge of the step, and then line the step up. But I'm not going to do any talking. I'll probably just do that, and put my coffee somewhere that I'm not going to knock it down, and it's not going to get filled with grit. At the front, not a lot here. course, and I'm ready for my next step there. The stones are disappearing quite well, not that you can see because the barrier's blocking most of the view, but the stones are disappearing quite fast, which is maybe a good thing, maybe not. We shall see. Oh, loads of grit in there. Drink it slowly and all the grit will sink to the bottom, he says, hopefully. It's enough for me. No. That's very nice.